Now, sis, I don't know how to braid no hair. Now, me, I don't know how to like grip hair and put the hair on top of the braid. So, if you don't know how to do that either, keep watching. I will show you what I do to finesse a good braided look. So yeah, so we're gonna finesse a good braided look. We're gonna be cute. We're gonna be saving money. Hey friend girl, I am back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing box braids. So what I'm doing here is I'm holding the braiding hair up and making sure that both ends of the hair are even. Next, I pinch the middle of the hair and run my fingers down the hair shaft, pulling the hair apart. And I do that until the ends of the hair are sparse and less blunt. Next, I'm going to go in and go ahead and moisturize my hair with products that will be listed on the screen. The products that you will need to complete this hair tutorial are braiding hair, crochet hook, hair lotion, curling cream, moisturizing gel, hair wax, and rubber bands. Now what I'm doing here is inserting my crochet hook underneath the rubber band that is parted my hair. And I'm going to take the hair and pull that through. And when I do that, I'm going to hold one end of the hair and I'm going to hold the other end and just pull that on through. Once successful, I'll go ahead and start doing my braid. So when I do my braid, I'm actually going to take my real hair and use that as the third strand. When your hair starts to get sparse, that's when you'll take some of the braiding hair and use to make up for it and make that as the third strand. And you're just going to keep on braiding down until you reach the end of the braid. finally done with doing those braids. So next what we're doing is putting on edge controller. And once you put the edge controller on, what you want to do is tie that hair up, tie it up for at least about 5 to 10 minutes. And once you're done with that, take it off and you're ready to go. Here I'm just showing what hair braiding I use to braid my hair, and I use expressions. Next I'm showing my edge controller, and the brand that I use is 24-hour edge tamer by Even. I'm showing off some rubber bands and also my crochet hook. Next is a very important step. What you want to do is take some foam or either some mousse and put that all over your hair, and that's just going to lay down any hairs, and then you're good to go.